Good morning. Myself, Professor Santosh Pundalik Rajguru, Head PG Department of English, रयत शिक्षण संस्थाज बळवंत कॉलेज विटा तालुका खानापूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट सांगली. My total teaching experience is 23 years. I have been working as a English professor in Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's various colleges. In the year 2003, I was appointed as assistant professor in Lakshmibau Bhaurao Patil Mahila Mahavidyalay Solapur. From 2003 to 2019, I worked in that Mahila Mahavidyalay as a IQAC coordinator, coordinator of UGC CPE, PM Usha, formerly known as RUSA. Then I worked for different committees in colleges, mostly College Development Committee or formerly LMC committee, as well as I worked in university level different committees, especially as a district coordinator of NSS, and I worked very wholeheartedly for the academics and extension services and overall development of my students. For that purpose, I was awarded with different national, state, regional, university level, and local different social organizations and the clubs. Then in year 2019, I transferred to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's another college located at Arts and Commerce College, Madha. For IQAC, I worked as an IQAC coordinator in Lakshmibai Bhaurao Patil Mahila Mahavidyalay, and I secured A grade to that college with 3.23 CGPA. Then the same work I continued as IQAC coordinator in another Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's college, Arts and Commerce College, Madham. There I also worked hardly and worked in a very good team, and then I came with the good result of the NAC in that college also. Arts and Commerce College Madha secured A plus grade from NAC Bangalore with 3.26 CGPA. The result of the NAC paved the way to grab rupees 5 crore grant from Ministry of Education Government of India under PM Usha, and we successfully secured that grant from UGC and PM Usha. Similarly, I worked as a coordinator for the Best College Award received from Punyashlok Ahilyadevi Holkar Solapur University, Solapur. I am working as a BOS member at Solapur University, Solapur. Similarly, at Sant Gadge Baba University, Amravati, and at two autonomous colleges. One is HN College of Commerce, Solapur, that is autonomous, and another one is TC College, Baramati. The status of empowered autonomy is granted to that college. As a PhD supervisor of Punyashlok Ahilyadevi Holkar Solapur University, four of the candidates have successfully completed their PhD degree under my supervision. Now, in Balwant College, I have received one candidate for PhD from the University of Shivaji University, Kolhapur. As far as concern my publication, I am very much proudful that I have published more than 46 papers in international recognized popular peer reviewed journals and in national journals also. Out of that, 23 papers I have published in UGC care listed journals. Simultaneously, 3 of the papers I have published in very strong impact factor level journals, and one paper I have published in Scopus or Thomson Reuters indexed journal. Simultaneously, I have published 4 of the papers in Springer uh, proceedings of international conferences. 6 of the book chapters I have contributed in popular publications like Lambert Academic Publication and even the other international publications. I have published one textbooks and contributed to the NEP lectures as well as devoted my knowledge at various colleges for the purpose of the NAC. I am working as a member of IQAC at 2 of the engineering colleges, as well as I have received national, state, university level and local awards for my academic and extension activities. In my 23 years of career, I had been to 5 foreign countries with the grant of UGC travel grant received from UGC, and I have presented my papers there. I have completed so many conferences, so many in the sense more than 52 international conferences, out of which 7 conferences I attended at IITs in India and also worked as a session chair there. I also translated 3 of the books and I am working as a official translator of NPTEL. Thank you very much.